Goddess. First off, I'd like to apologize for the lack of videos recently. Been a lot of things going on with people moving, finals, and a bunch of other stuff. We're finally, slowly coming back, and I got with me today a large package unboxing. So just give me a moment here while I get right into this. I believe this will be the April, technically, package. It's May. Let's take a look in here and see what I got. Give me a moment. Alright, let's see. Alright guys, look in here. First off, let's look at so we have some clear files. Konga, Kantai, and Kaga from Kantai. This is the animation. Put them under there. And we have a Force of Will playmat. This is the little red. No. Shirobako. Lots of Memories deck. The Dark Legend decks. Renzo Zamori. Again, Dark Legend decks. Susie and Android. Kantai. A Kumano Android. Kantai. Playmat. Looks like a ZX playmat. A Girls Own Panzer playmat. The ZX playmat, and these are based on this guy. Bunch of sleeves. More sleeves. Another sleeve. And some more sleeves. So I'll get to that and Bushiroad Monthly. Alright, looks like that's all for this package. I'll be back in a little bit with the sleeves, but yeah. Alright, so now we're going to go through the sleeves. It's actually been weeks since the other part of the video. You see that set's already out. And I have since gotten a lot of Force of Will stuff. But we'll see what sleeves we got. This is, ooh, the Amagi Brilliant Park sleeves. Nice. Shirobako sleeves, okay. And this, I forgot what the anime is called. Kantai, on the Village, which I think is getting an anime. Junbyo, Diesel-chan, Mordred, Emma, Best Girl, Junbyo, on the Village. Bunch of types of over sleeves. This girl, and Joan Dark. So overall, pretty nice sleeves. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been Ash from Magic Goddess, and I will see you guys next time.